Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's topic of discussion, linear equations and ratio for IBPS, RRB, PO and clerical examination. The level of difficulty is preliminary examination. Okay, before we start our discussion, we request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Time for Bank and SSC CGL, and click on bell icon so that you get notification of all the videos that are uploaded on this channel. Let's begin our session. Here note is given, questions marked with the star mark are the models that are appeared in various bank exams in recent years. Now here is the question 1 on your screen. Now look at the directions here. Select the correct alternative from the given choices. A, B and C together have a total of rupees 1950. B has a double the amount with A. B has double the amount with A means B is equal to 2A. Who has rupees 450 more than C? Who has means who refers to A. Now A has how much here? 450 more than C. Means A and C, the difference is rupees 450. What we need to find? The value of C, the amount with the C value to be found. A, B and C. Let us assume C as a K. What is the value of A? A is equal to K plus 450. What about the B value? B is equal to 2 times of it, means 2K plus 900. 2 times of K plus 450. Simplify. Sum of these three parts. So by adding all the three, we get K plus 2K plus K, that is 4K. 4K plus 450 plus 900, that is 1350. 4K plus 1350 equal to 1950. 1950. Find out the value of K by taking variables on one side, numbers other side. 1950 minus 1350, that is 600. The value of K is equal to 150. So what is a K? K is equal to the amount with C. What is the amount with C? 150. Right choice, option number 1. First choice is the right answer. Right, look at the next example. Question number 2. Star mark is given means the question model appeared in the recent bank examinations. Okay, look at the question here. The sum of the 5 times of a number K and K plus 110.25 is 730.25. Find the approximate value of K. Approximately how much is the value of K? 5 times of K. 5 times of K means 5K plus K plus 110.25 equal to 730.25. Dear students, take K on one side, numbers other side. 5K plus K, that is a 6K. 6K is equal to, by taking this 110.25 other side, becomes negative. Now 0.25, 0.25 gets cancelled. Now 730 minus 110, that is a 620. The value of K is equal to 103.33. So what is the nearest closest value? Approximately, what is the closest here? The value 100 is close to 103. Hence the choice 4 is the right answer. Okay, now look at the next example. Question number 3 on your screen. The sum of the present ages of Pratap and Subodh. Pratap and Subodh, here it is 110 years. I'm taking P for Pratap and S for Subodh, sum of their ages, that is 110. Pratap's age 15 years hence is equal to Pratap 15 years hence means after 15 years, which is equal to Subodh age 5 years ago. Subodh's age 5 years ago. Now take the numbers on one side, variables other side. What is the condition here? S minus P is equal to 20. Already here sum of the P and S is given. Here difference is given. Yes, we can find the answer very easily. Just look at. So S minus P is equal to, that is 20. What to find? The Subodh's age. Find the age of the Subodh 5 years hence. 5 years hence means after 5 years. So this value we need to find out. By adding these two equations, P gets cancelled. Now 2 years is equal to, that is 130. The value of S is equal to 65. Yes, my dear students, please mark the right answer. When S is equal to 65, what is the age after 5 years? Add 5 to the 65, it becomes 70 years. Now the right choice for this, option 3. Third choice is the right answer. Okay, now let's look at the next example on your screen. The number obtained by reversing the digits of a 2-digit number is 45 more than the original number. So which number is more? A reverse of the number. So what is the original number? I am taking AB. This is my original number. I am assuming it as the original number. What is my reverse of the number? When the digits are interchanging the positions, now it will become BA. Of course, the numerical value of AB is 10A plus B. Here 10B plus A. 10A plus B, 10B plus A. The difference of these two is given here as 45. My dear students, remember 3 points here. The sum of a 2-digit number and its reverse is always a multiple of 11. The difference of a 2-digit number and its reverse is always a multiple of 9. And similarly, the difference of a 3-digit number and its reverse is always divisible by 99. Here, difference is how much? 45. Means reverse number is greater than the original number. Hence, B minus A is equal to 45 by 9. That is 5. Okay. Next, continuation. Sum of the digits is 11. Sum of the digits means B plus A or A plus B. How much it is? 11. Simplify. By adding this, A gets cancelled. Now 2B is equal to 16. The value of B is equal to 8. When B is equal to 8, A is equal to 3. What is the number? 38 is the number. But what we need to find out here? The product of, what is the product of the digits of the number? So what are the digits here? 3 and 8. How much is the product of 3 and 8? That is 24. So what is the right choice? Option 2. Second choice is the correct answer. Okay. Next example on your screen. Of course, the star mark is given. Just look at. A person spends 1/3 of his monthly salary on rent, 1/5 of the remaining on groceries, 1/8 of the remaining on traveling. Now he is left with 7,000 rupees. Find his annual salary. Annual salary means 12 times of monthly salary. First of all, find out the monthly salary, multiply with 12. Dear students, here I am taking K as the salary. 1/3 is expenditure on rent. 1/3 is the expenditure means what is the remaining? Remaining is 2/3. What is the remaining salary? 2/3. In that 2/3, 1/5 spent on groceries. 1/5 was spent means remaining is 4/5. Remaining is 4/5. After this expenditure, what is the next one? 1/8 of the remaining on traveling. 1/8 is the expenditure means remaining is 7/8. Now, what is the next point? Now he is left with 7,000 rupees. Left with 7,000 means this value is equal to rupees 7,000. Just to simplify, you will get the value of monthly income. So monthly income is equal to K. What we need to find? Annual. Annual means 12K. Need to find out annual salary. Simplify. The product of 4 and 2. 2 into 4, that is 8. Now 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 3 into 5, 15. Zeros are common here. What is the monthly salary? 15,000 rupees. What about the annually? Annually means 12 into 15,000. 12 into 15, 180. Now simplify, you'll get answer. What is answer? 1.8 lakhs. 1,80,000 means 1.8 lakhs. The right choice, option 2. Second choice is the right answer. Okay. Shall we move to the next example? Right. Ankita and Sahiti shared 8/15 of a certain sum in the ratio 17:24. If Ankita's share is 2,800 less than Sahiti's share, find the sum. Ankita's share is 2,800 less. Now what are the shares here? 17. 17, Ankita and Sahiti. 17 and 24. 17 and 24. 17K and 24K. Now let me check how much is the difference in the ratio wise. Ratio wise, the difference is 7, which is equal to 2,800. So what is the difference in the ratio of the ratios of Ankita and Sahiti? 7 parts. 7 parts is equal to 2,800. Then what about the 41 parts? What is the 41? 41 is equal to sum of these two. Sum of 17 and 24. So what is the result? 7. It goes exactly 4 times 400. So what is the product of 400 into 41? 16400. Dear students, Ankita and Sahiti shared only 8/15 of a certain sum. 8/15 of a certain sum is equal to 16400. Then find the sum. 8, it goes how many times here? 2050 times. Now 15 into 50, that is 750. 15 into 2, that is 30. What is the value of K? K is equal to 30750. 30,750. Right answer, choice 1. Option 1 is the correct answer for this example. Now, question number 7. Okay. The ratio of the present ages of Reshmi and Diksha 5:x. Reshmi is 12 years younger than Diksha. Diksha and Reshmi. What is the time gap? It is 12 years. Reshmi is 12 years younger than Diksha. After 6 years, the age of the Reshmi will be 26 years. After 6 years, 26 means what about the present age? 26 minus 6, that is 20. So D minus 20 is equal to 12, means D is equal to how much? 32. Dear students, Reshmi and Diksha, if we observe, what is Reshmi? Here 20, Diksha is equal to 32, ratio 5:x. Simplify. Now the cancellation, 5, here it goes exactly 4 times, 4 in 32, 8 times. Then what is the value of x? X is equal to 8. Right choice, option 3. Third choice is the correct answer. Okay. Now, moving to the next example. In a class, the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls is 15:13. When 20 new boys join, the ratio of the number of girls to number of boys become 13:19. Now, how many more girls should join? How many more girls should join the class so that the number of boys and girls will be equal? Let's check. 15K boys and girls are 13K. What is the first condition here? 20 boys, new boys, join the class. So 20 joined here. Now the ratio will become, just look at this one. Be careful. Here the number of girls to boys is given. So 13:19 means boys 19, girls 13. By doing cross multiplication, we get K value. What is the K? 13 into 15, that is 195 K. 13 into 20, that is a 260. Now 19 into 13, that is a 247 K. By taking variables on one side, numbers on the other side, 247 minus 195. Here 5 less than 200, 47 more than 200. 47 plus 5. 47 plus 5, that is a 52 K is equal to 260. 52, it was how many times? Exactly here 5 times. So what is the value of K? K is equal to 5. When K is equal to 5, what is the number of boys? The number of boys, if we observe, 15K plus 20. 15K means K is equal to 5. 15 into 5, that is 75 plus 20, 95. What about the number of girls? The number of girls, if we observe, here 13K. 13K means 13 into 5, that is a 65. By adding how many girls, now we can equate these two values. So how many new girls should be joined this group in order to make the boys and girls in the class equal? So the value of G is equal to 30. So 30 more girls should be added. Now the right choice, option 3. Choice 3 is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's look at next example. The ratio of Pramod's age 4 years ago and Mohan's age 7 years hence is 7:11. If Pramod's present age is 7 years more than the Mohan's present age, then find the present age of Mohan. Mohan's age to be found. The ratio 7:11 means 7K and 11K. What is 7K? The age, the Pramod's age 4 years ago. 4 years ago, 7K means what is the present age? Present age means 7K plus 4. 4 years ago, it was 7K. Now, what is the present age? 7K plus 4. Next, Mohan's age is 7 years hence. After 7 years, 11K means what about the present? The present means just subtract the 7 to get the present value. Now, what is the second point here? Pramod's age is 7 years more than the Mohan's age. So, Pramod, 7K plus 4. This is the Pramod. And the Mohan, the difference is 7. So, the difference of these two is equal to 7 years. Now, simplify. It will give the value of K. Let me check. 4 minus of minus 7. 4 plus 7, that is 11. 11 minus 4K is equal to 7. The value of 4K is equal to 4. Now, the value of K is equal to 1. What is the value of K? K is equal to 1. When K is equal to 1, just to find out the Mohan's age, K is equal to 1. Now, K is equal to 1 means Mohan's present age to be found. What is the present age of Mohan? Mohan's present age, 11K minus 7. 11K minus 7. Substitute K as 1. Simplify. It will give 4 years. Right choice, option number 1. First choice is the correct answer. Okay. Next. The monthly incomes of George and Venu are in the ratio of 8:5. Incomes ratio. The ratio of their monthly expenditures is 5:2 expenditures. If the monthly savings of George and Venu are rupees 14,000 and rupees 11,000 respectively, find the annual income of Venu. Venu's annual income to be found. Multiply the monthly income by 12. So 12 times of income of Venu. Okay, this we need to find out. Dear students, here monthly incomes are ratio is given. How much? 8:5 means 8K and 5K. 8K and 5K. So what is the expenditures here? Expenditures ratio is also given. The ratio of the expenditures is given as 5:2. And what about the savings? 15,000, 14,000 and 11,000. When you subtract the savings from the income minus the savings, it will give expenditure. This is the one approach. Or you can try income minus expenditure is equal to savings. Or we can try by using income is equal to expenditure plus savings. So I am doing by using the first logic. So what about the savings here? 14,000 and 11,000 respectively, which is equal to 5:2. By doing cross multiplication and taking variables on one side, you will get the value of K. Substitute here, simplify, that will give the answer for this question. Now 2 times of 8K, that is a 16K. 2 times of 14, 28,000. And 5 times of 5K, that is a 25K. And 5 times of 11,000, 55,000. 25K minus 16K, that is a 9K. 9K is equal to how much? 27,000. The value of K is equal to 3,000 rupees. K is equal to 3,000. When K is equal to 3,000, what we need to find? Venu's annual income. Income here 5K. So 12 into 5K. K is equal to 3,000. 3 into 5, 15. 15 into 12, that is the 180. So what is the result? 180 and 3 more zeros. Means 1.8 lakhs. That is 1,80,000. Option 2. Answer for this question, the choice is 2. Okay. Dear students, please subscribe our YouTube channel to get more videos on subject videos on examinations like bank, SSCCGLE, insurance exams, railway, and other related examinations. The social media channel links are given in the description box. Here, Telegram channel, YouTube channel, Instagram, and Facebook. Okay. So links are given in the description box. Please join our YouTube channel. Right. Now for classroom coaching, do contact your nearest time center. For online courses, you can enroll at t4e.info/bankssc online. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.